Hi, I'm Sawyer with Jarvis Lighting product team. Our LUMOS-G2 dual position wall pack functions as two fixtures in one. Let me show you how it works. With Jarvis Lighting's patented FlexPack design, the LUMOS-G2 can be installed either as a full cutoff dark sky wall pack or a forward throw wall pack with no additional hardware. This is ideal for maintaining product uniformity on project applications that require a mix of forward throw and full cutoff fixtures. This DLC Premium listed fixture features a sensor receptacle for easy integration with luminaire level lighting controls, as well as a built-in photocell for more basic control applications. The wattage and CCT are adjustable via an easily accessible selector switch, so you can customize this fixture to your exact needs. To install the LUMOS-G2 directly onto a wall, first remove the base plate by unscrewing these two screws. Each screw is held in place by a rubber gasket, which prevents the screws from falling out during installation. Using fasteners appropriate for the mounting application, secure the base plate to the wall. If you're mounting the LUMOS-G2 in the dark sky orientation, the wider end of the base plate should be on top. If you're mounting it in the forward throw orientation, the wider end should be located on the bottom. The base plate has a built-in level, so you can ensure that your fixture is always level with the ground. Once the base plate is mounted to the wall, attach the front section by sliding the hooks into these holes on the side of the base plate. The LUMOS-G2 features a 1/2 inch MPT threaded knockout on all four sides and the back of the fixture, so power can easily be brought in from any direction. Make your electrical connections inside the fixture body, then close the fixture body and secure it using the two screws. The LUMOS-G2 features a Z10 sensor receptacle on the lens that is compatible with any of Jarvis Lighting's Z10 luminaire level lighting control devices. To install a Z10 device, first remove the cover cap by twisting it to the left. Then, line up the sensor device with the receptacle, push it into place, and twist it to the right to lock it in. Within seconds, your LUMOS-G2 wall pack is ready to be added to your NLC project utilizing luminaire level lighting controls. For more basic control applications, the LUMOS-G2 comes with a built-in photocell sensor, which is located right here behind this knockout. To control the photocell, use a flathead screwdriver to remove the cover cap and access the on-off switch. If you have installed a luminaire level lighting control device, such as the sensor in the Z10 receptacle, you must make sure that the built-in photocell is turned off. Below the photocell switch, you'll find the wattage and CCT selector switches. The wattages can be set to 50, 60, 80, or 101 watts, and the color temperature can be set to 3000, 4000, or 5000 K. Once you are done adjusting the photocell, wattage, and color temperature, replace the cover cap to prevent water from entering the driver compartment. With its patented FlexPack dual position design, built-in photocell, sensor receptacle, and adjustable wattage and CCT, the LUMOS-G2 is the ultimate all-in-one wall pack that can be easily customized for any application. To learn more about the LUMOS-G2 and the many other products we offer, check out other videos on our channel or visit jarvislighting.com. Thanks for watching.